Welcome back, friends. Previously I told you that we completed chapter number 2, fraction and decimal. Today we will revise all the concepts that we learned in the chapter number 2. You need to write revision and continue. You need to write heading revision, and then you will solve the example we will solve in today's video. Okay, so we started our chapter with the fraction. What is the fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. કોઈ પણ એક વસ્તુને ઇક્વલ પાર્ટમાં ડિવાઇડ કરો એટલે શું થાય? ફ્રેક્શન. Then we learn different types of fraction. Proper fraction. What is proper fraction? When numerator is less than denominator. Improper, when numerator is greater than denominator. It is improper. And what is mixed fraction? It is combination of whole and part of fraction. Okay, whole part અને fraction part બંને સાથે હોય એને શું કહેવાય? mixed fraction. Which fraction is converted into mixed fraction? Improper. જે fraction improper હોય એને mixed fraction માં convert થાય. Then we learn comparison of fraction. And in comparison, what we have to do? First of all, take the LCM and make the denominator same to compare the fraction. So now, then we learn a word problem of fraction. Okay, in word problem, question can be of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That is up to the word problem. જેવો question હોય ખાલી તમારે એ આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરવાનું છે કે એમાં ઓપરેશન કયું કરવાનું છે, એડિશન કરવાનું છે, સબટ્રેક્શન કરવાનું છે, મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન કરવાનું છે કે division કરવાનું છે. Otherwise word problem will be simpler. So we will solve the method we learned for a fraction, that is addition of fraction. First we solve addition of fraction. So here first is 2/3 and 1/3. Now here denominator is same, so you need to directly add the numerator. 2 plus 1, 3/3, that is 1. Okay, next 5/3 plus 1/3. Now here denominator is 3 and here denominator is 2. So take the LCM. LCM will be 6. So 5/3 needs to multiply with 2 and 1/2 needs to multiply with 5 to the 10 by 6 plus 3 by 6, that is 13/6. You can convert this into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction में convert करो तो શું કરવાનું? 13 divide 6. 6 2s are 12. Remainder is 1. So you can write 2 1/6. That is answer. Clear? Now third example, 1/5 plus 2/3. Now here it is mixed fraction. So convert it into improper. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, that is 6/5 plus 2/3. Now take the LCM because one denominator is 5 and other is 3. So LCM will be 15. So 6/5 needs to multiply with 3 and 2/3 needs to multiply with 5. So it is 18/15 plus 10/15, that is 28/15. You can convert this into mixed fraction or you can give this answer to one child. Okay, subtraction of fraction. Then we learn subtraction of fraction. So in that 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7/3 minus 2/5. Again LCM is 15. So 7/3 needs to multiply with 5 and 2/5 multiply with 3. So you will get 35/15 minus 6/15, that is 29/15. Clear? This way you can solve the example of subtraction. One more example, 6/7 minus 1/4. Here denominator is 7, here denominator is 4. Take the LCM. 6/7 multiply with 4 and 1/4 multiply with 7. 7 minus 7/20. So subtract, you will get 17/28. This will be your answer. Now multiplication of fraction. In addition and subtraction, you need to take LCM, but in multiplication and division, do not take LCM. So here, first example, 2/3 multiply 1, 2/5. So it can be written as 2/3 multiply 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7/5 5. 2 sevens are 40 and 5 threes are 50. So this will be your answer. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. One more example. 1 5 by 6 multiply 1 by 3. 6 ones are 6 plus 5 11 by 6. Multiply 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 by 3. You can cut the common factor. 3 twos are 2 twos. 11 twos are 22 divide 9. You can convert this into mixed fraction. It is 2 4 by 9. Division of fraction. In division, what you have to write? 5 by 6. First convert this into improper. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 by 5. Now in the division, you need to convert division into multiplication by writing the reciprocal. So it is 5 by 6 multiply 5 by 7. Division become multiplication. Reciprocal of 7 by 5 is 5 by 7. So 5 5 is 25, 7 6 are 40. Clear? This will be your answer. One more example. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 divide 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Now 4 by 3 multiply 5 by 11. So it will be 20 by 40. Clear? This is the method of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction. Now we will start the method we learned in a decimal number, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimal. Again word problem માં method તો સેમ જ હશે. તમારે ખાલી ઓપરેશન આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરવાનું છે કે કયું ઓપરેશન કરવાનું. Can be addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So first of all, we find the place value of decimal. What is the place of 8? It is at the 100th place. Point પછી start કરવાનું 10, 100. So it is 8 by 100. Place value of 8 will be 8 by 100. Now place value of 6 will be 6 by 10. Why? Because it is at the 10th place. 9 at the 1's place. 8, that so place value will be 99. 8 is at the 10th place, so place value is 80. And 6 at the 100th place, place value is 200. Clear? If you want to write the expanded form, then it is 200 plus 80 plus 9 plus 6 by 10 plus 8 by 100. Same for this one. 5 is at the 1000th place. So place value is 5 by 1000. 0 at the 100th place. So it is 0. Place value of 0 is always 0. And 1 is at the 10th place. So place value is 1 by 10. 5 is at the 1's place. So place value is 1, 5. 2 is at the 10th place. So it is 20. And 9 at the 100th place. So it is 9. So if we want to write the expanded form, then it is 900 plus 20 plus 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 5 by 1000. Clear? Now addition of decimal. I already told you that whenever you are performing the addition of decimal, you need to write decimal point exactly below the decimal point. It means 25.11 plus 150.02. Okay, point is exactly below the decimal point. So remaining digits will be 0, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 0.5, 7 and 1. Add the numbers. So it is 175.30. Clear? Now next, 90.2 plus 1.006. The remaining digits are 0. So 0 plus 6, 6, 0, 2.1, 91.206 will be your answer. Subtraction of decimal is same as we perform subtraction in a previous standard, but here you need to only arrange the digits of decimal. So 89.03 minus 12.6. This digit will be 0. Now subtraction, 3 minus 0 is 0. 10. 10 minus 6 4. 8 minus 2 6. And 8 minus 1 is 7. So it is 76.43. Clear? This will be your answer. Now next. 162.8 minus 50.29. Decimal point must be exactly below the decimal point. Remaining digits are 0. So it is 10 and 7. 10 minus 9 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. Point. 2 minus 0 is 0, 2, 6 minus 5 is 1 and 1. So it is 112.51. Now, multiplication of decimal. In multiplication, you can convert the decimal into fraction. So here 0.2 multiply 5. You can write 2 by 10 multiply 5. 2 5s are 10 by 10. So it is 1. Okay. Now it is 5 and 2 are numerator, so you can multiply 5 2s, that is 10. 10 will be cancelled out, so it is 1. 1.2 multiply 0.2. So you can start with 12 by 10 multiply 3 by 10. 12 3s are 36, 10 10s are 100. So it is 0.36. Clear? Now next one. 189 divided 10 multiply 10. Now you can cancel out this 0, so it is 189. Clear? Fourth example, 981.02. Here two decimal points, two number and two decimal points. You can write 100 in a divide, 100 in a multiplication. You can cancel out it, so it is 898120. Or I explain one sentence, that is, if there is a multiplication of decimal with 10, 100 or 1000, move the decimal point to the right side as many number of zeros in a multiplication. જેટલા 0 મલ્ટીપ્લાય માં હોય એટલું રાઈટ સાઈડ પર મૂવ કરવાનું. અહીંયા એક 0 છે એટલે આ રાઈટ સાઈડ પર 1 સ્ટેપ. So it is 189. Here 2 0 in a multiplication, so move 2 steps to the right side. So it is 98,102 will be your answer. Now, division of decimal. So, division of decimal is same as the multiplication of fraction. So, 1 by 2 can be written as 12 by 10 divide 0.02 can be written as 2 by 100. Now, 2 by 12 by 10 multiply 100 by 2. Clear? Convert division into multiplication. Write 2 by 100 reciprocal is 100 by 2. You can cut the common factor 0 0 2 6 down. So 6 into 10 is 60. Clear? One more example. 1.84 can be written as 184 divide 100 divide 0.4 can be written as 4 by 10. Now convert division into multiplication. It is 10 by 4. You can cut the common factor. If you cut 184 by 4, you will get 46 by 10. So it is 4.6. Clear? 25.5 can be written as 255 divided 10. Division become multiplication. 10 will be 1 by 10. Now you can see 2 0 in a denominator. So it is 255 by 100. So it is 2.35. 555 can be written as 555 divide 100 multiply 1 by 100. Now how many zeros in a denominator? 4. 100 into 100 is 10,000. So you can write 0.0555. It means if there is a division of 100, 10 or 1000, you need to move the decimal point to the left side as many number of zero in a division. અહીંયા એક zero division માં છે તો હજી એક decimal point left side move થાય એટલે 2.50 કરે. અહીંયા 2 0 છે એટલે હજી બે સ્ટેપ આગળ છે એટલે 0.0555. This way you can perform the division of decimal number. Now in next video we will start chapter number 4, that is simple equation. Okay, chapter number 3 is about graph and mode median, that we will learn later. In next video we will start chapter number 4, that is simple equation.